Okay, let's start with a brief tutorial on how to make a vinaigrette. Now, you've probably been taught, or maybe you've heard, the general ratio to make a vinaigrette is 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. Well, the interesting thing is vinegars all come with different acidity. So my favorite vinegar, or one I reach for often because I really like strong acid, is sherry vinegar. And I know that 1 tablespoon of this will take another 3 tablespoons of oil to be perfectly balanced. But let's say I wanted to go with white wine vinegar. I might not need a whole 3 tablespoons of oil to balance it. So I'm going to show you how to start, how much you should start with. I make mine in a measuring cup. You can also use a ball jar and just shake it. This is what my mom used to do, or an old mustard, one of those old glass mustard screw tops, and just shake it in there. But I like to make it in a 1 cup measuring cup. It's so easy because you measure right in there. So salt, and then we're going to add some mustard. The mustard helps to keep when you mix it, when you beat it up, helps to keep the dressing sort of stay together, stay emulsified. This is a very delicate emulsification, so it won't stay together for too long, but you just whisk it up and use it. And then I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of sherry vinegar, go up to the 1/4 cup line, and at this point you stop and whisk it, because salt does not dissolve very well in oil. You need to dissolve it in the vinegar. So you whisk it until it appears to be dissolved. And then I'm going to add olive oil. I like olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like that makes you happy. And I'm just going to add it. You can add it whisking, which is probably a good idea if you want it to be emulsified right away. It's going to separate. When I say emulsified, it means it comes together as one substance, but eventually it'll separate out into the oil and the vinegar, and you just re-whisk it. Okay. And then at this point, after you've made it and whisked it, you want to test it to see where you're at. By the way, if I'd used white wine vinegar, I would have started with less oil. I wouldn't have gone all the way up to the 1 cup amount. I would have started with more, like gotten up to 3/4 of a cup in here and tasted it. Okay, so let's see where we're at. That's perfectly balanced. I knew that because I use sherry all the time. Then we can just park this, chewing, park it in the fridge, and you've got it all week.